with more and more people running, there's also an increase in running-related injuries. Close to 70% of runners will have injuries, and knee pain is one of the most common running-related injuries that regular runners will face.
I followed Manu's program with the physical therapy along with the holistic approach with the herbal medicines and the oils.
Because it has an integrated approach to healing, combining physical therapy, exercise science, and holistic medicine to build balance and symmetry in the whole body.
So the combination of the treatments of the physical therapy, the taping, the holistic formulas that Manu prescribed for my program during my training helped me to get to race day without any pain.
It has very specific physical therapy techniques to help you heal your knees by improving circulation and breaking down scar tissue. And it helps improve strength, flexibility, balance, and coordination for the whole system.
Using the herbal oils and supplements sped up the recovery a lot quicker had I not taken them and I had stuck with the traditional approach.
These are tested, proven solutions I've used with my patients, and I've seen the results. My patients heal faster, they have less injuries, and are fit and stronger because of these techniques.
I was initially very skeptical about the holistic side, but with the blending of both of his schools of thought, I think he has created one of the best clinical responses that I've ever seen.
And with my training as an Ayurveda herbalist, I've also included diet and detox solutions to help you recover faster and improve your health. Running is much more than a sport. It's a way of life.